The Kronos chain is seeing growth, and this is exactly what you want to see if you are a Crypto.com CRO token holder. Today, I want to talk about where we're currently at for altcoins, specifically CRO versus Bitcoin, and what you can expect. You know, we talk a lot on this channel about how CRO coin should be reaching a $2 to $5 price point at some point in this bull market. Well, if you look at the market today, you'll see that CRO is currently only at 15 cents. So how do we have these 20, 30x gains that we've been talking about on this channel? Well, we're going to need to see the Kronos chain grow. We've got some excellent facts that I want to share with you guys today about the active users and how much we're growing right now. And we want to look at how Kronos does become a top coin and a top chain, and where we're at right now with that progress. I'll give you guys a quick little update on the ecosystem for Kronos, CRO coin overall, and taking the temperature on Bitcoin for the day. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about some of this. So if you like this content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. So right now, the overall market cap is at 2.7 trillion, and we are moving up. Bitcoin is well above $70,000 today. We've been saying for a while that if Bitcoin got to $72,000, we could get a massive short squeeze to the upside, which would be absolutely fantastic. Well, unfortunately, looks like some of those shorts cleared out the positions. Bitcoin did get up to 72K, but we didn't quite get that short squeeze that we were hoping for. The shorters got smart and they took some off the table because they got scared, rightfully so. Bitcoin is due for a parabolic explosion. If you've been looking at this crypto market overall and you look at Bitcoin, you'll see the bigger trend, right? There are bull markets, parabolic rallies where we break through previous all-time highs. We've been waiting for 34 days as we've been testing previous resistance from the overall high, and we're waiting for an explosion. Once that happens, the overall market will break out as well. And the most successful chains, and look at the overall market cap actually producing a very nice green candle. Wow, that's very exciting. I'm just seeing this live here on this video for you guys, which is great to see. We want to see this turn up in the right direction. Monday is a very beautiful day. Look at this red candle we had. We're turning up. And so that is what you want to see for the altcoin explosion. If you want CRO coin to go back to its previous highs and higher and come up to this over $1 target, getting up to $2, possibly even $5 in this next bull market, well, we certainly have a lot of work to do. So where are we at right now? Well, let's talk a little bit about it. So right now, the overall market cap for Crypto.com's CRO coin is sitting at rank number 33, and they're at a $4 billion market cap flat. We talk a lot about its main competitor, Binance, on this channel, which is currently sitting at rank number 4. So how does CRO coin get to Binance's market cap level? How do we get this 22x? Well, it's very, very key, guys. We're going to need to see the Kronos chain be a successful chain. And we were talking just recently about how Solana, which is so popular right now and having some transaction issues. In fact, there's so much congestion that many of the transactions are failing. It creeped up to a number 4 market, 4 rank TVL, total value locked up in the DeFi ecosystem chain. And it is a major competitor to some of these other platforms. Some people think it's even going to get bigger than Ethereum at this point, at some point. And right now, I mean, with the congestion issues, who knows? And so what this leaves us room for is more competitors. So how does Kronos become relevant? Well, it needs to continue its growth. Right now, it's got $543 million locked up in the DeFi ecosystem, as you can see right here, which is very good. And we do have some good growth, 12% over the last month. But I do want to remind you guys, when you look at the 1 month change for these chains overall, Kronos is not the top dog in terms of growth. So there are other ones moving up, and here you go, Merlin, which is a Bitcoin-related chain. You have Base, which is Coinbase's Base chain. There's other ones. When you look at non-EVM chains, that's a whole different story. But when you look at the EVM chains in particular, and that's carving out Solana and any other ones that aren't compatible with Ethereum, Kronos is ranked number 11. We're going to want to see this start competing with some of those other EVM chains. And how does that happen? We need more activity on the chain, more users, more growth, and we are getting that. I'm going to share those facts with you here in a second. I've got that for you right over here. But I do want to highlight real quick. So how's CAW doing? How are the meme tokens? Well, some of these are way down, guys. CAW is down as well. We had a lot of excitement. This thing was looking like it wanted to move up as it launched on Solana. This is that peak right here. Unfortunately, that launch had a little slight issue, and they actually had to recreate it and launch it a second time. And so just getting a little consolidation, some sell-offs, some whales sold off. I still think that this meme token is holding on strong with a $9.6 million market cap. Over 600K in liquidity is pretty darn good. Again, you saw a meme token in Kronos go to the moon already, like Corgi AI got to $1 billion market cap, and I think naturally there's going to be other coins as well that come along in the future. When you look at the total volume and the activity that's been going on in Kronos, it's because of this token mostly, guys, and some of these other ones as well that you're seeing at the top of the screen. I know right now Mary is popular. I know people are printing money on this Mary token, which is beautiful to see for any of the holders of this coin. I know this is certainly a big community token right now, getting to $1 million market cap. I don't own any of this. I'm not sponsored by any of these projects. I'm just purely looking at the Kronos ecosystem and seeing what the excitement is right now. And Mary is the number 2 coin. It's still so far behind Ka. Ka is, a little more proven the test of time at this point. But that being said, these are all new. And it's good to see new things going on. Guys, I want to remind you guys that people get all excited about tokens like Shiba Inu. In fact, I want to share this story with you guys really quick. Big Wallet just gulped up millions of dollars worth of Shiba Inu from Crypto.com. People get excited about this. People get very happy when people start buying Shiba Inu. And what I want to remind you as well, guys, Crypto.com themselves, when you go look at the app, the main app for Crypto.com, and you looked at it in the previous bull market, what you'd see is it says buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and SHIB. They were advertising to users that were looking at this crypto wallet, SHIB. So clearly meme coins are a staple for crypto communities and for growth. Even major exchanges advertise these things when they're successful. It's still very early for these other coins. Who knows if they get an exchange listing or not? I'd certainly love to see some of these community tokens for Kronos get exchange listings. That would be wonderful, great for the Crow fam, and great for the Kronos ecosystem, because then you could get more people using the Kronos ecosystem. Imagine if Crypto.com lists all these tokens or some of the good ones on their platform. That would be fantastic for the holders of these tokens. That would be fantastic for the Kronos ecosystem as well. Why? Because it tells the people using the chain and people on the outside that Crypto.com, the exchange, is willing to support its community. And they're willing to support the Kronos ecosystem, and they're spurring growth. At the end of the day, when there's excitement around tokens, whether they're meme tokens or utility tokens for some of the main dexes like, and yes, VVS Finance, one of the main dexes within Kronos. And if you look at this chart, guys, actually, it's very shocking. You look at this chart and you zoom out. Yes, certainly it is coming up right now, but look where this thing was at one point. It is still way down. Eventually, this is going to have a mega boom. It's already listed on Crypto.com, but what we need to see is more excitement, more hype, more use. How does VVS get bigger? How does the VVS coin get bigger? Well, you need people to be trading on the platform and using the VVS mines and using all the applications within VVS. Well, why are they going to do that? Well, maybe if they get excited about some of these silly little memes, they start using the VVS platform. Now there's even an aggregator with airdrop incentives coming to Kronos. This is all very good, guys. And so what we're seeing is not only, good moves like this, and hopefully they start to advertise some of these meme tokens for the Kronos ecosystem, but what we're seeing as well is obviously they're entering new markets. Well, if we get some of these new markets and new users in, and we get some of the exchange listings for these native Kronos tokens like Crow with Knife, and VVS is already listed. Obviously, it's a major DEX within Kronos at this point. And even some of the others potentially, hopefully they make it, we're going to see more growth. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. This is a tweet reposted by Kronos. This is Ken Timsit, one of the main guys when it comes to Kronos, and he tweeted this out. I want to share with you guys. Pleased to see that Kronos monthly active users grew plus 65% from February to March. That is moves in the right direction. And how did it happen? Well, he said thank you to all the projects, and he shouted out a ton of these projects, guys. And most of these are these silly little memes that I know so many people are upset about. But at the end of the day, if you are a pro-crypto person and you're a pro-crypto.com Kronos chain person, you're going to want to see continued uptrends for this. Right now, the Crow coin is currently sitting at 15 cents. Again, I do believe that we're going to see it get to $2 to $5. And these are all moves we want to see. We want to see more active users month to month. We want to see Crow continue to perform versus Bitcoin. Right now, we are still in a breakout versus Bitcoin. We haven't completely came back down and invalidated this move yet. I think we are going to scoop back up. I'm just really waiting, guys, for a full-fledged Bitcoin breakout like you see in these previous bull markets. Just waiting for our move to get to these levels up here. We're not there yet. Once we get there, the overall market cap can break out. And then the most successful chains, the most exciting chains, hopefully Kronos, is going to start getting its move. The Kronos token is the utility token for the Kronos chain. You're going to want to see it continue to be successful for this Crow coin to move up. And I'm excited about it, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.